Hi friends, this is a musical mat from Mozusan, and you can see this is also for 3+ ages, and this come in a great packing, and all the demonstration and the guide is in the back of this pack. And you can say that this musical mat have different function: on, off, volume up and down, some demo button for pre-installed tunes, and then it's a fun thing for the kids. So you can also record, playback and play the other tunes, and then the keynotes. So let's open this pack and see what's inside it. So this is just one mat, and I think the tutorial is outside the box. The mat itself is very nice and comfortable. I can feel the cushion in the mat, and you can see the bright colors, very nicely built, and there is no issue with the colors and the print. Here is the corner is the battery section and the musical note speakers. So you can see the on and off button, volume plus and minus, demo button, and then different style like a piano, the saxophone or the violin. So this type of tunes in here, and all the piano will appear. So this is one keynote: play, record and playback. So let's open this and put the batteries in. So here I'm just opening it. It requires 3 AA batteries. So I am just putting the batteries inside it. Now I'm closing this to start the on and off button. So this is on and off button here, and then as soon as I started, this started with the music. I will show you the music here in the notes, so that you can listen how the music is. The speaker is nice, and then you can see all the different tunes. You press on the button slightly, and then it will turn off and off, and then you can also, the kids can walk on it and jump and then play the different tunes. It's a fun thing, very nicely built, and I like this piano mat, and kids will also love it. So this is the record. You can record the tune and then you can play it.